Chocolate fountains are the most fun and unique way to serve desserts. Your guests will enjoy dipping their favorite fruits and treats. Make your wedding, party, or special event a huge success with a magic CFO brand chocolate fountain. Our chocolate fountains in various sizes. The overall use of food-grade stainless steel to mate. Provided on the base motor switches, temperature regulator and power cord jack, easy to operate. 3 feet of the base can be used to control the balance of the entire machine. Chocolate loaded bowl can be removed the next day using direct refrigerated for convenient storage. Never leak chocolate with a new design basin. The chocolate fountain is easy to install, does not require any tools. First, the rubber ring is installed in the end seat. Then circled bowl to the base. Next, install the auger at the bottom. There's the auger jack. This jack de-align the motor shaft can be installed. Finally, cylinder set in the auger and can be tightened. Then set a stabilizer on the top. Now we take hands-on to make delicious chocolate fountain. First, turn on the thermostat switch. Set maximum temperature for preheat. The second step, the chocolate into small pieces were melted. Into the bowl can be stirred while melting. The machine can be held 6 kilograms fountain chocolate. The third step is to wait for the chocolate is completely melted. Turn the motor switch so it will appear chocolate fountain. Adjust the 3 legs of base to make sure the base is level, so that you can get beautiful chocolate waterfall. You can adjust the temperature knob to 50 to 60 degrees for delicious dipping food. Add a fountain of tantalizing chocolate to your next event and make a lasting impression on your guests. It's a perfect way to celebrate any event, ideal for christenings, weddings, exhibitions, parties, and corporate events, etc. Let your imagination go wild with all the creative possibilities for this fun, fresh idea. 天生不长命，你究竟用了什么配料让我为你晕？为你唱这首歌，不管你情不。
mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
The corn twister twists corn quickly off the cob without a knife. Simply push and twist and watch the corn fall effortlessly from the cob. The leaf protects fingers and provides a good grip as you easily twist the kernels off the cob. It nests together for compact storage and is dishwasher safe. To learn more about this product and other products from Kuhn Recon, visit kuhnrecon.com.